Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we are going to be talking about Crypto.com, some of the negative news that's happened for them lately, some of the positive news. We'll take a look at the price action, but there is an interesting thing going on where BitMEX CEO came out speaking against Crypto.com as a result of one of the recent hit pieces that was written on them. And actually, we're going to talk a little bit more about that, the potential inside a trading team that is going on at Crypto.com, a trading team internally at Crypto.com, not necessarily insider traders, but let's talk a little bit about that story and where we're at right now and what is going on with the CEO speaking out against Crypto.com. If you like the content, guys, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We are doing 5 videos every day for you guys, and at 10,000 subscribers, we just gave away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, and at 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away a Loaded Lion NFT to one lucky subscriber. So don't miss out on that, guys. Look, the market is up a little bit from the last week, just down for the day, 2%, but Bitcoin's strong, Ethereum is strong, Binance coin not as strong. I did a video early on Binance. Check that out, guys, if you haven't done so already, because we'll talk about some of the FUD that's been going on for Binance lately. CRO coin, though, sitting up 10% over the last 7 days at 5.8 cents. I would like to see a big move up past 10 cents here in the next few months. We'll see how it plays out. But BitMEX CEO suggests that crypto exchanges should eliminate internal market makers. The timing of this article is essentially a direct attack on Crypto.com, one of its competitors, because recently it was said that Crypto.com has an internal trading team. People that work there have a trading team, and they like to trade in the crypto markets. Allegedly, they trade on multiple different exchanges. But the big question we have to have here is, how are they actually doing this? You know, are they using the users' funds? Because if so, that's an FTX. That's a big no-no. Well, we don't know what the continuation of this story is. But that's really the big question here. FTX allegedly used its trading arm, Alameda Research, which allegedly operated as a hedge fund, to bet customers' funds in order to make profits. However, Lutz said that there are ways to identify which exchange is using a trading arm that risks investor funds or which one is using it just as a treasury. I would like to go out on a limb and say I would bet that Crypto.com is just using it as a treasury. Now, this story is true. There is a trading arm, I guess you could say, of Crypto.com, a trading team within Crypto.com that is trading. But if they're just using it as a treasury, that's fine. If they're using it as users' money, that's not fine. That's an FTX, and that's a big no-no, and that's not what we would want. Now, the Crypto.com team has allegedly responded to this article and these claims about this insider trading team, and I guess they do have a team, but they're fine pushing back on it, saying that they think it's totally fine. And let me just pose this question out there for you guys. Do you think Crypto.com would receive regulatory approval to do crypto services in Spain if this was a big issue? Do you think a country would allow them to get the license of regulatory approval if they were doing what FTX was doing? I don't think so. Do you think they let them into Brazil with this EMI license that they got months ago, back in December? I don't think so. Do you think that they would have complied with the Canadian laws and still been able to operate in Canada because they decided, hey, we're going to delist Tether to comply with Canadian laws? Do you think somebody that's worried about compliance like that is going to be doing this insider trading with customer funds? I don't think so, guys. That's a big no-no. In the meantime, Binance is having its own problems, right? Binance had to leave Canada. So you kind of put that in contrast. What's Binance doing in Canada? They had to leave. What's Crypto.com doing in Canada? They're still operating. They just had to delist Tether. That's acceptable. They're just trying to comply with Canada. It's the governments that really are having an issue right now with crypto, but that is not stopping the price of Bitcoin from moving up right now. We see hedge funds getting into crypto right now. We see large institutions seemingly FOMOing into crypto right now. Bitcoin's currently at 30,000 and moving up, hopefully to break 32,000. The overall Bitcoin and crypto market is looking to break above 1.3 trillion. If we can get some significant moves upward. Now, CRO coin is coming down versus Bitcoin, but why is that? It's because it is an altcoin, and it might potentially still have about 22% downside versus Bitcoin. But then as we get into the bull cycle and we look at the trend the other way, once we hit the bottom, I do think we could have upwards of 1,000% pump of CRO coin versus Bitcoin in terms of the chart, guys. And so I am feeling pretty darn good, guys, all things considered. I just want to take you guys where my mind's at, where we're at in the current market, what's going on, how I'm feeling. I am feeling pretty good. I have a lot of Crowcoin and I'm buying more Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we are stacking our bags, guys, because we're getting ready for the bull market. It's coming and we are accumulating. What are you guys doing on your end? Let me know in the comments down below. That's all I got for you in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got